the plan is to upgrade, construct 600 primary schools across the country. Now, the purpose of this is because, as the governor has said, education is key to unlocking the potential of our people. Number two, the world is becoming digital. And because the world is becoming digital, the preparation has to start at a very, very early stage. And therefore, this school has an ICT lab fully equipped with internet connectivity and with trained teachers, so that from the earliest time, these young people are prepared for a future that is theirs, that is the digital future. We have gone across the country. A lot of schools are in pathetic conditions, but there are also other schools where the community has come together. We've been to places like Bomet where the community has come together and they're contributing to upgrading the facilities.
Capitation is not being released to schools in good time. I hear that there are financial challenges. I also feel it as a governor because there are late exchequer releases. I know that this is not a challenge that is unique to just this region. It's a national challenge. That is why I have taken this opportunity to laud Safaricom. Safaricom, instead of whining or joining us in whining, they have done something practical. Let all of us who are able, who can do something, do something.
Sisi kama wasasi tunaomba serikali walete pesa kwa shule mapema, ndio kazi ya CBC iendelee mzuri.